I'm Yuvvaraj and he is Afraz. So we made an app in MIT App Inventor. Our basic app is to tell you about the recipes, to show you the recipes offline in an app. So we have just created a background and the app name is Recipes at Your Fingerprint. There is a button, Explore Here, and when we tap it, it will just take us to the screen too. So right here, we'll have to select our preferences. In veg, we have many options like paneer butter masala, paneer tikka, litti chokha, soya chap and all. And basically thing is that we have enough time to do this. If we get more time, we can add many more recipes and many more subcategories to it. So in the non-veg category, we have chicken butter masala, chicken kebab and mutton's recipe also. So it is like only North Indian one. So if we get more time, we can add South Indian, continentals, Western, pizza, burgers and all. And it is now offline, but we'll make it a hybrid by adding the link to the YouTube channel, the best channel video to it. So here it is the recipe, and we have added calorie count and protein count to it also. So let me show you the veg one. This is the veg one. We have chosen a background to wooden background. We have added the ingredients, instructions and all. Okay. And so let me just show you the blocks. In screen 3, we have like 8 or 9 blocks. The buttons will just take us to the next screens. In total, we have 23 pages and 23 blocks to it. Let me just show you another block. Here, the blocks are organized. Chicken butter masala, chicken kebab, it will just take us to the screen.
So as we have told you, we have got less time, so we have only added only 19 dishes. So if we get only 19 dishes, if we get more time, we could add like desserts, juices, coffees, etc. And also their recipes and their protein count and also calories if they have. And also we have only made up to this time.
This is the wrap, and it will just show you the welcome screen, and if you just click on explore here, it will just take us to this preference slide. We have only veg and non-veg options. These two categories. In veg, there are the North Indian ones, but we'll try to add more subcategories to it. So if we click on any recipes, it will just show us the ingredients, the instructions on how to make it on serving, and there is a calorie count, total calories and all. Let me just show you the non-veg one. In non-veg, the chicken shawarma one. So here, the total protein, calories, and the chicken contains how many calories, it will just show everything to you. So yeah, this is our app.